Ever wonder what mysteries the universe hides in its distant corners? The cosmos is a vast treasure trove of enigmas, and among these, quasars stand as one of the most captivating and perplexing phenomena. Concealed in the farthest reaches of the universe, quasars, or quasi-stellar radio sources, are celestial objects that emit extraordinary amounts of energy. They shine with the brilliance of 1 trillion suns, and yet they are so remote that even the most powerful telescopes can only capture them as specks of light. Despite their minuscule appearance, these cosmic behemoths are among the most luminous, powerful, and energetic entities known to mankind. Quasars are believed to reside in the heart of distant galaxies, powered by supermassive black holes millions to billions of times the mass of our Sun. As matter spirals into these black holes, a process known as accretion, it heats up and emits a dazzling light, making quasars visible from billions of light years away. This incredible luminosity makes quasars invaluable tools for observing the early universe, shedding light on its structure, composition, and evolution. But quasars are not just cosmic lighthouses, they are enigmatic entities that continue to puzzle astronomers. Their formation, their lifespan, their role in galaxy evolution, their energy source, and the nature of their rapid brightness changes are among the many mysteries that scientists are still trying to unravel. These questions have sparked countless research projects and have led to some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in astrophysics. Yet, despite the progress, there is so much more we don't know than we do. Each discovery seems to open up a new set of questions, making quasars a fascinating subject of study, a challenge for our understanding of the universe, and a testament to the endless wonders of the cosmos. So, are you ready to dive into the world of quasars, to explore the unknown, and to push the boundaries of our cosmic understanding? Join us as we count down the top 10 mysteries of quasars that scientists are still trying to solve. Starting our countdown at number 10, how do quasars form? Quasars, these luminous beacons of the cosmos, have long puzzled scientists. The conventional theory posits that they're born from supermassive black holes lurking at the heart of galaxies. As surrounding matter spirals into these black holes, it heats up, creating an accretion disk that glows intensely. This glow is what we see as a quasar. However, this theory raises more questions than it answers. For instance, how does a black hole accumulate enough matter to ignite a quasar? And how does this process occur so rapidly on a cosmic scale? Some researchers suggest that galactic collisions could provide the necessary fuel, but the specifics remain elusive. Furthermore, what triggers the transition from a dormant black hole to a vibrant quasar? Is there a specific threshold that must be crossed? Or could any black hole potentially become a quasar given enough matter? A puzzle that continues to challenge our understanding of the universe. Mystery number 9. What is the lifespan of a quasar? Now, this is a question that has been boggling the minds of scientists for decades. You see, determining the lifespan of these celestial bodies is no easy task. Why does it matter, you ask? Well, understanding a quasar's lifespan could provide crucial insights into the evolution and ultimate fate of galaxies. Imagine knowing how long these cosmic lighthouses shine their light into the universe. Current estimates suggest that quasars can live for anywhere between a few million to a few billion years. That's an incredibly wide range, I know, and it's this uncertainty that makes the task all the more challenging and exciting. The implications? Well, they're huge. If quasars live on the shorter end of the scale, they could be the fleeting sparks of a galaxy's youth. But if they persist for billions of years, they might play a more enduring role in the cosmos. The answer to this question might be key to understanding the life cycle of galaxies. Coming in at number 8, what role do quasars play in galaxy evolution? Well, as one of the most powerful and energetic objects in the universe, quasars are believed to have a significant impact on the formation and evolution of galaxies. One theory suggests that quasars, with their intense radiation, might trigger star formation in nearby galaxies. The immense energy they emit could compress the surrounding gas, leading to the birth of new stars. On the flip side, quasars might also inhibit star formation. Their high-energy jets could blow away the gas necessary for creating stars, essentially stifling the growth of a galaxy. However, these theories are still up for debate. The complex relationship between quasars and galaxies isn't easily unraveled. We're dealing with cosmic puzzles that span billions of light years and countless eons. With each new discovery, we're getting closer to understanding this intricate dance between quasars and galaxies. But for now, the relationship between quasars and galaxies remains a cosmic mystery. Mystery number 7. Why do quasars exhibit rapid changes in brightness? This question has been challenging astronomers for decades. Quasars, these immensely powerful celestial objects, can change their brightness over just a few days or weeks. That's a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. This phenomenon, known as variability, is not entirely understood. Some believe it's due to the turbulent gas near the quasar's central black hole. As this gas swirls into the black hole, it heats up, emitting light that varies as the gas's density changes. Sounds plausible, right? However, this theory doesn't explain everything. For instance, why do some quasars change brightness more rapidly than others? And why does the rate of change sometimes vary in the same quasar? Current models are not yet sophisticated enough to answer these questions. We need a deeper understanding of the physics at play in these extreme environments, and that's why this remains one of the most puzzling behaviors of these cosmic giants. At number 6, where does the immense energy of quasars come from? Quasars are the celestial bodies that outshine entire galaxies, but what fuels their extraordinary radiance? Our current understanding suggests that the energy of quasars originates from the accretion of matter onto supermassive black holes at the hearts of distant galaxies. As matter spirals into these black holes, it heats up and emits a brilliant glow, creating the quasar we observe. However, this explanation raises further questions. How can such a process generate energy on a scale that dwarfs entire galaxies? What mechanisms control the rate of accretion and, consequently, the quasar's luminosity? And what happens when the surrounding matter is exhausted? These intriguing questions highlight our limited knowledge of quasars and their energy sources. While we've made significant strides in understanding these celestial marvels, the road to complete comprehension is still long and filled with mysteries. The power source of quasars remains one of the universe's most powerful puzzles. Mystery number 5. What causes quasar winds and what effects do they have? Let's dive into the enigmatic world of quasar winds. These are massive outflows of energy and matter, driven by the gravitational power of the supermassive black holes at the heart of quasars. Now, what causes them? Scientists believe these winds are born from the accretion disk of matter swirling around the black hole. As the black hole feeds, it heats up the surrounding matter, causing it to explode outward in the form of wind. But the fascinating part doesn't end there. The effects of these winds are far-reaching, quite literally. They have the potential to shape their host galaxies, driving out large amounts of gas and dust, which could in turn regulate star formation. Yet, the exact mechanisms and impacts remain shrouded in mystery, keeping astronomers on their toes. Quasar winds, a cosmic breeze filled with unanswered questions. At number 4, why do quasars exhibit high redshifts? Now this is where things get really intriguing. In the realm of cosmology, redshift is a phenomenon where light or other electromagnetic radiation from an object increases in wavelength or shifts towards the red end of the spectrum. This generally happens when an object moves away from the observer. So when we observe high redshifts in quasars, it implies they're receding from us at incredible speeds. But here's the mystery: why do quasars, these brilliantly luminous entities, exhibit such high redshifts? Current theories suggest it may be due to the expansion of the universe itself. As space-time expands, it carries galaxies along for the ride, creating this redshift effect. But there's a lot we still don't understand. For instance, what mechanisms drive this expansion? And how do these mechanisms interact with quasars? These questions leave scientists scratching their heads. The redshift puzzle, a key to understanding the expansion of the universe. Mystery number 3. Why are quasars more common in the distant universe? As we peer into the cosmos, we observe a fascinating pattern. Quasars, these cosmic lighthouses, appear more frequently in the distant universe than in our cosmic neighborhood. But why is that? Some scientists believe this could be tied to the age of the universe. In its younger days, the universe was a more chaotic place, with galaxies colliding and merging more frequently, potentially giving birth to more quasars. However, this theory has its limitations as it doesn't fully explain the distribution we observe today. Others suggest that quasars may have evolved into less energetic objects, making them harder to detect. But again, this theory doesn't quite hit the mark. It doesn't account for why we don't see younger, more energetic quasars in the nearby universe. The truth is, we're still grappling with this question. It's a cosmic riddle written in the distribution of quasars. Coming in at number 2, What causes the powerful jets emitted by quasars? Quasar jets are a captivating yet perplexing phenomenon. These are colossal streams of plasma that shoot out from the heart of quasars at nearly the speed of light. Yes, you heard it right, almost the speed of light. And here's the rub. Scientists are still scratching their heads about what causes these powerful jets. Some theories suggest that they're related to the supermassive black holes at the center of quasars. As matter spirals into the black hole, it forms an accretion disk. The intense gravitational and magnetic forces at work could create conditions ripe for launching these jets. However, the precise mechanisms remain elusive. The implications of these jets are immense. They can influence the growth of galaxies and shape the large-scale structure of the universe. Yet, despite their significance, we're still trying to unlock their secrets. Quasar jets, a cosmic fountain of mysteries. And finally, the number one mystery. How can quasars be so luminous? Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe. They outshine entire galaxies, emitting more light than 100 trillion suns. This luminosity is a puzzle that has had scientists scratching their heads for decades. How can an object that is billions of light years away be so incredibly bright? This is the mystery of Quasar Luminosity. There are currently a few theories attempting to explain this enigma. One of the most widely accepted is based on the concept of accretion disks. These are flat, rotating disks of matter that form around supermassive black holes, like the ones at the heart of quasars. As matter from the disk spirals into the black hole, it heats up, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the form of light. This process is thought to be responsible for the extreme brightness of quasars. However, there are issues with this theory. For one, it doesn't explain how quasars can sustain such high levels of luminosity for millions of years. Also, the theory predicts that the energy should be released in all directions, not just in the jets that we observe. Another popular theory suggests that quasars are powered by the collision and merger of galaxies. The energy released during these cosmic crashes could, in theory, fuel the luminosity of quasars. Yet this theory too faces challenges. It's difficult to explain how such collisions could happen frequently enough to account for the number of quasars we see. These theories, while intriguing, highlight the complexities and challenges of understanding quasar luminosity. The implications of this mystery are vast. If we can unravel this, we could gain new insights into the nature of black holes, the formation and evolution of galaxies, and even the fundamental laws of physics. We're still far from a definitive answer, but with every new observation and discovery, we inch closer to understanding this cosmic conundrum. The luminosity of quasars, the brightest mystery in the universe. And there you have it, the top 10 mysteries about quasars that still baffle scientists. From their perplexing formation and uncertain lifespan to their role in galaxy evolution, quasars continue to be enigmatic objects in our universe. We've also explored the rapid changes in their brightness, the source of their immense energy, and the puzzling phenomenon of quasar winds. We've delved into the peculiarities of their redshift, the mystery surrounding their population, the enigmatic jets they produce, and their astounding luminosity. Each of these aspects presents a riddle that scientists are tirelessly working to decipher. But let's not forget, these mysteries are not barriers, but invitations for us to understand the universe better. Each question brings us one step closer to unraveling the secrets of the cosmos. So let's keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Because in the grand scheme of things, there's so much more to discover. Remember, in the vastness of the universe, there is always another mystery waiting to be solved. Before we end this astronomical journey, we'd like to remind you that your engagement is what fuels our content creation. If you've learned something new from this video, if it's sparked your curiosity or simply entertained you, please give it a like. Your likes help us gauge what topics interest you the most. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts, opinions, or any additional questions you might have about quasars in the comment section. We love hearing from you and often get inspiration for future videos from your comments. Most importantly, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we release more content like this. Lastly, if you found this video enlightening, why not share it with your friends and family? After all, the mysteries of the universe are more fun to unravel when you're doing it with others. Remember, every like, comment, share, and subscription goes a long way in helping us create more content for all you curious minds out there. So let's continue this journey of discovery together.